Imagine you're diving into the world of feedback, reading the same time of comments that many others read every day. Think of a computer screen full of different opinions and comments, all waiting for you to see them. You move from one part of the screen to another, collecting every important piece of information. You have someone who wants to be a good product owner or dedicated UX specialist. You want to get every detail right. But time passes quickly. Before you know it, many hours have gone by. You spend so much time on this, it feels like the time never ends. Every time you enter information, it's like adding a piece to a big puzzle called Excel driven development. You want to make things better, but finding a starting point can be challenging. So, tell me, are you ready to start this journey to see things a new way? Guess what we found out? People really need two things: a single place that they can trust and some nifty automations to do the heavy lifting for them. That's how we stumbled upon the ultimate secret to handling feedback. And that's where we come in with our AI feedback analyzer. It combines the best of both worlds. It creates that one trustworthy source and performs automatic analysis on your issues. Just set up the project, kickstart the automation, and voila. From then on, every ticket that pops up in your support project will be automatically scanned for feedback. And guess what? Every piece of feedback gets stored in a knowledge base. Cool, right? We can both have our own feedback added by ourselves to a project with the feedback information. And everything we're going to put in here is going to be automatically analyzed by the AI. And then we can go to our knowledge base and see every other feedback that is stored there automatically. It's just pulled out of the support project, analyzed, and we can see it all here in one single source of truth. And now all we have to do is start working with our feedback. Here we have a table full of content with all the issues analyzed by AI that appears in our projects and what we added by ourselves, with all the information that are analyzed by AI automatically. Okay, now I'm going to describe what the AI actually do for us. The first thing it analyzes is the product the user is writing about. If they mention a name in their message, it will appear up here. Second thing is that an AI is assigning a category for our feedback. There's many categories. They are predefined by us. They are like functionality, usability, design, and so on and so on. Next is a subcategory. It's not predefined. We let an AI to be creative here, and it's defined subcategory by its own. So it can happen that each feedback has its own category based on what user wrote. After that, we have brief summary. AI can summarize all the description the user wrote to us and put it into one sentence, so the person who works with the feedback actually from the beginning in a moment knows what the feedback is about. Another thing is that users sometimes writes a proposal solution for us, like with additional question, why didn't you do it that way in the first place? So if it happens and we know about it, the AI can spot it, detect it, and briefly summarize it for us in this very spot. Very important thing is sentiment. AI can check for us if user feedback is negative, neutral, or positive. The AI can also tell us how quality the feedback is on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is very shallow and a little value, and 10 means someone really put in effort to give us their opinion. The last thing is the app review. It's a little creative invention. The AI takes on the role of the user and based on what they wrote, tries to rate our application.